Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to year 2 of a couponer's guide to gifting. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and start this gifting series starting on November 1st because Target is starting their holiday deals starting November 1st. So if Target's going to do it, then so am I. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the first gifting idea. So I'm also going to be doing a huge holiday giveaway. So there's going to be a question of the day in every single video for a couponer's guide to gifting. So I'm gonna be posting a new gifting idea every day until December 20th. So there's gonna be a question of the day. It's going to be a pinned comment. And I'm also going to be stating the question of the day through the video. So I'm also going to be asking the question of the day throughout the video. So if you want to be entered to win my holiday giveaway, then all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel and leave a comment for the comment of the day. So what you are going to win is a huge goodie box full of random mix and match items from couponing, things I've been picking up throughout the year, as well as a $100 Target gift card. So if you want to be entered to win the holiday giveaway for 2019, the requirements are just to be a subscriber to my channel. You comment on the question of the day. So good luck to everyone. Everyone's gonna have a chance to enter every single video. So the more videos you watch, the more videos you engage with, then the more entries you guys are gonna have. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. So my first gifting idea is actually from the company called Bolzano accessories. So it is a subscription service. They do like different like handbags and accessories, and I've never heard of them. They did reach out to me, so they sent this to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what they sent in this month's bag. So Bolzano handbags and accessories are depicted by sophisticated styles, a variety of materials, leather, nylon, and vegan leather, an array of fashionable colors, luxurious feel, quality hardware, compartments, and exquisite craftsmanship. Each of our products is crafted with today's women in mind. Handbags allow the contemporary woman to express her unique look while meeting the demands of her lifestyle. It embraces distinctive shapes, unconventional patterns, and flirts with hip details, reminding women that they can have it all. Luxury, style, elegance, and quality come together and are must-have accessories. Okay, so it's a accessory company, so they do jewelry, they do handbags, they do wallets, they do sunglasses. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what they sent me. So they're going to give you a style quiz similar to like Stitch Fix or Trunk Club or any of the other subscription clothing services. So they're gonna send you a Google Doc, and it's gonna ask you all sorts of different questions about your style preferences, your color preferences. And I am honestly a pretty like boring girl when it comes to accessories. I'm more of like the classic look to everything. So I'm not one for like loud prints. I'm not one for like loud colors or anything like that. And I try to keep my pieces non-trendy because I don't like to pick trendy items because then they just kind of cycle themselves out. So I'm definitely more of like a classic girl when it comes to that stuff. So I was actually relatively surprised when I opened this handbag because I thought it was super cute, super chic, and yeah, absolutely love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the handbag that they sent me. And first of all, I love the classic black and white, but then I also really appreciate the gold hardware. All right, so for today's question of the day, I wanna know, are you a dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate fan? So comment below what your go-to chocolate is. This is the perfect little purse when you don't have to have, you know, your huge mom bag on you. Maybe you're doing like a date night, maybe you're doing a girls' night out, maybe you're going to Vegas or a holiday party. I just think that this is so incredibly chic and classic looking, and it's not something that is going to, you know, be tossed out of my wardrobe come like the next like season, because black and white and gold, like you can definitely rock this for many seasons. So I absolutely love this, and the hardware of everything seems like it's really good material, and it's gonna be durable. So I thought that that was all that was gonna be inside of here, but no, they sent some other stuff too. So there were some surprises inside of the bag, which I'm super excited about. So First thing in here are a pair of sunnies, and how cute are these? First of all, I love the little cat eye. How cute is this? Like I feel like I'm a celebrity right now. Like this is like how I feel. Like I could just walk down like Hollywood Boulevard and like totally fit in. But I love the cat eye detail, and they're thick lenses, and I'm one to have like bigger frames on my face because they definitely do complement my face. And they also have a little bit of that like cheetah leopard print at the bottom. So definitely staying on trend with that like leopard feel. And then it also comes with a little carrying case as well for the sunglasses. So I absolutely love that. All right, so then they also sent some jewelry. So this is so we have some gold circular earrings, as well as a matching necklace. How pretty is this? And I love how everything like goes together. So definitely would do a good job at like complementing like an outfit. So I'm actually gonna put these into my huge holiday giveaway because I definitely want to share this stuff with you guys. And then they also sent another little pouch as well. So I don't know if this is like an influencer thing or if it's something that you'll get if you sign up for their subscription. But inside is a little hair towel wrap, which is awesome because I recently used mine from FabFitFun and I absolutely love it. So if you have like curly to wavy hair, so I have really wavy hair naturally, and what I do to like get my waves to come out is I use a hair towel just like this. So this is awesome. I'm actually gonna stick this into the holiday giveaway as well because I already have one of these and I don't need two of the same thing. And then they also sent a L'Oreal Nude Magic BB cream. So this is a 5-in-1 BB cream. So it goes on liquid and then it turns to powder. So I'm actually gonna drop this into the giveaway as well. And then they also sent a hand cream from L'Occitane, and I love L'Occitane hand cream, so that is awesome. So this is everything that came into my October Bolzano subscription box. So I'm gonna have all the details linked below to their company and all the different subscription options you can sign up for. So I think this would be a great gift to gift like a mom, to gift your sister. I think that this is just so fun to get a little subscription box of accessories because I absolutely love accessories, and I find that typically like those are the last things that I tend to like spend money on, or the last things I tend to think of. I usually will think of like shoes and clothing, but when it comes to like accessories for myself, usually that's like the last thing on the totem pole for me. But I feel like accessories can really make or break an outfit. So I am super excited to be strutting this cute little purse during the holiday season. So a big thank you to Bolzano for sending this stuff over to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's first video of a couponer's guide to gifting. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another gifting idea.